Welcome to American Dream Mansions, your premier destination for the most luxurious and breathtaking homes across the United States. Today, we proudly present a modern masterpiece located at 1254 Roberto Lane, Los Angeles, California, 90077, listed at $14,995,000. This Bel Air estate is the perfect blend of architectural innovation, luxury finishes, and seamless indoor-outdoor living, designed to impress at every angle. From above, a cinematic drone view captures the entirety of the property, revealing the expansive terraces, sparkling infinity-edge swimming pool, meticulously landscaped gardens, and the sleek driveway leading to the modern garage. The golden hour light highlights the second-floor cantilever and rooftop deck, creating dramatic shadows and emphasizing the home's architectural elegance. During the daytime exterior shots, the floor-to-ceiling Belgian glass windows reflect the lush greenery, while the multiple decks and patios create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The smooth driveway and manicured front yard make a striking first impression, reinforcing the home's premium status. Stepping into the grand entrance, you are greeted by automated frameless glass doors, polished marble flooring, and soft ambient lighting. The foyer exudes elegance and warmth, immediately setting the tone for the luxury that awaits inside. Geometric ceiling designs and refined wall textures demonstrate meticulous attention to detail and sophisticated taste. The main living area features soaring ceilings, a modern fireplace, and floor-to-ceiling windows that allow natural light to flood the space. Elegant furnishings complement the open floor plan, while the adjacent family room provides a cozy space for intimate gatherings or relaxation. The smooth flow from living to entertainment spaces is designed for both comfort and style. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with DOCA luxury cabinetry, Decton countertops, walnut recess detailing, and top-of-the-line appliances. Its layout balances aesthetics and functionality, perfect for hosting family meals or extravagant dinners. The dining area, featuring a long elegant table under designer pendant lighting, opens directly to the backyard terrace, creating an effortless indoor-outdoor dining experience. The TV lounge and entertainment area are designed for leisure and sophistication, featuring plush seating, ambient lighting, and modern technology. Residents can enjoy cinematic experiences or relaxed family time in a luxurious environment. Upstairs, the master suite offers a private retreat, complete with glass closets integrated with lighting, a sitting area, and a spa-like marble bathroom featuring premium agape fixtures. Additional bedrooms are spacious, filled with natural light, and designed with comfort and elegance in mind. All bathrooms throughout the house showcase marble slabs, freestanding tubs, and designer faucets, maintaining consistency in luxury and style. A floating staircase with glass railings connects the split-level home, complemented by a frameless glass elevator. Architectural lighting accents the stairs, creating a visual centerpiece while ensuring practical accessibility to all levels. The private gym is fully equipped with modern machines, mirrors, and ambient lighting, offering residents a premium fitness experience without leaving the home. Every detail reflects sophistication and functionality, enhancing the wellness lifestyle. Outdoors, the backyard offers a resort-style swimming pool and spa surrounded by lush landscaping. Expansive decking and lounge areas create an ideal environment for entertaining or unwinding in privacy. The rooftop deck, designed with a raised pedestal floor system, provides unobstructed panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, making it perfect for sunsets, gatherings, or quiet reflection. The museum-quality basement grand room combines exposed raw black concrete walls with refined textures, housing a cork-floored, felt-walled home theater with custom diffused ceiling lighting. This minimalistic luxury space delivers an immersive cinematic experience and complements the home's sophisticated aesthetics. The modern garage provides ample space for multiple vehicles, featuring polished concrete floors and integrated LED lighting. Designed for both functionality and style, it maintains the home's overall premium feel. This Bel Air mansion is a testament to luxury, innovation, and architectural excellence. Every detail, from the soaring ceilings to the infinity-edge pool, has been thoughtfully crafted to create an unparalleled living experience.